Let's learn today ways to reduce your sugar level naturally. Ways to reduce your sugar level naturally. Let's learn ways to reduce sugar level naturally. 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 Let's learn ways to reduce sugar level naturally. Walk at least 30 minutes every day. Walk at least 30 minutes every day. Exercise 3 days a week. Exercise 3 days a week. Weigh it lifting. Weigh it lifting. Weight lifting. Twice. Twice means 2 times. Twice means 2 times. Do weight lifting twice a week. Do weight lifting twice a week. Meditate every day to reduce your stress. Meditate every day to reduce your stress. Go hiking. Go hiking. Do yoga. Do yoga. Enjoy the nature. Enjoy the nature. Enjoy the nature to reduce your stress. Enjoy the nature to reduce your stress. Good job everyone. Practice well.